Okay, so now if you're more of an ice cream fan like me, instead of cake, we're not leaving you out. We do have some tips from our partners at Rachael Ray In magazine to help you take a standard vanilla to next level.
There's nothing vanilla about these cool combos. Really, all it takes is a standard pint of vanilla ice cream and some mix-ins that you probably already have in your pantry. These treats are fun for kids and adults alike. The first thing you'll want to do is soften your ice cream. So you can remove your pint from the freezer, put it on your counter for about 10 minutes. Then you'll want to transfer the contents into a stand mixer or a large bowl. And on low speed, you can incorporate some of your flavorings. The next thing you'll do is fold in some of the chopped mix-ins. Then you can refreeze the ice cream until it's firm. In no time, you'll have your own bespoke creations to scoop. A little bit of salt helps balance the sweetness of ice cream. We love this version with chopped peanuts, chocolate chips, and malt powder. It's this malty, salty, crunchy mix that tastes like a candy bar morphed into your ice cream. It's so delicious and it's perfect for those hot, scorching summer days. Remember that chocolate sauce from your childhood that you'd pour over your ice cream and it would turn into a hard shell? Well, guess what? You can make it at home. So all you need are some chocolate chips or a chocolate bar. You melt that and mix in some coconut oil and you have your own sweet sorcery. It's also fun to think outside the cone. So think about taking fresh oranges or grapefruit or coconuts, pineapple, watermelon, you name it. Scoop out some of the fruit from the inside and then fill it with ice cream or sorbet for your own fruit bowl.
So for more ice cream ideas and recipes, pick up the newest issue of Rachael Ray In, available right now.